everyone, welcome to new apartment. New or maybe old, because it is my favorite apartment in Świnoujście. So this is like the swine mouth or something like this. Chandelier, TV, I love this wall. Just love it so much. Oh my god. Never mind. I like really everything here. It is so beautiful. This large, great window. It is just a best thing here because it is so nice and sunny. I've got flowers. So beautiful. And the whole apartment, it is just crazy good. I love these colors. I love everything here. I've got a little place where I can drink coffee in the morning tomorrow. I hope it will be nice and sunny because today it is 20 degrees, so it is really nice and warm. I really love it. Kitchen, it is great and everything looks so good. I am a bit tired because it is so busy, traffic's everywhere, so many people around. It is just horrible. I've got my Dio bag today. I've got a blue shirt, a bit office look, like for the holiday, I know, but I really love this pencil skirt and I really love to wear brown colors with blue. So, and I've got heels because it is 20 degrees, so why not? But they are really comfy. I've got a really great wardrobe, walk-in wardrobe, which is just with the washing machine here. But look at the ceiling. It is just crazy good. Do I have? Oh my god, what is it? And bedroom, which is very, very nice. I hope the holiday will be really nice and I will just make a few vlogs and I hope that you will like it. Bathroom, it is incredible. I love these all colors there. I love the gold shower, black and white tiles, large mirror, everything looks so good. Look at the floor, really great. Let me quickly show you what I've got with me this time. You'll be surprised because I took with me almost all my Fernando boots and I hope that I will wear them all. I have no idea why camera became a bit foggy, but anyway, you will see in this beautiful walk-in wardrobe I've got my longest black boots with the diamonds, I've got my black heels, and I've got red boots, beige, grey long, grey short, knee-high boots. And this is like, I really love. So this is how I would like to have in my apartment or my home, my future home, like walk-in wardrobe, much bigger with this all boots, but not like this folded. I don't wanna have boots like this. They should be I would like to buy a hanger which will keep my all boots this way. I have to be very careful. There is like a clip. I know that I can buy a special clips for boots, so they should be all this way. And this is my little dream that will come true, I'm pretty sure. Then my jacket, leather shirt and white shirt. A few tops and one dress, and I've got here my beauty products and some makeup and other things, my 2 handbags, and here the best. Wow, what is it? A drawer with my gloves. I don't know why I took only red and black. It is so crazy, but this time I've got they are from Fernando and they are from Fernando too. So they are from Marco, I guess. They are from Witchen and they are from Coutts. So they stretch out a bit, so I am not happy about, but it is still okay. So yeah, I wanna try this coffee machine. I'm not sure if I know how. There we have something. But let's see. Okay, no water probably. Okay, probably the water we have to fill up. Just, I don't know. Should be easy. Honestly, the light's flashing, but nothing is going on much, so I have really no idea what to do. If anyone have something like this, please let me know, because I don't really understand. Okay, we have something. But still flashing and nothing there. Come on. That's my coffee, honestly. Do I deserve for something like this? Okay, that's much better. A little, but better a little than nothing. I must grab my boots from car because I left them yesterday. Oh my god, my car, it is so dirty. But here I would like to quickly show you this Mercedes. I think it is SL, but I really love this car. It is quite like beige and gold. Just let me see. Yeah, it is SL500. Oh my god, spiders! And there is like very old motorcycle. I have no idea. But this car, it was my dream when I was like less than 20 years old. A really beautiful one. I know, my boots in the IKEA bag. Ferdinand laughing about this, but many people use this bag. So do I. I know it is embarrassing. I have to fix it. It is not really nice, but I will fix it and we'll be okay. Okay, time to go. Do you have like me? Like I'm always checking doors, cars and everything like 100 times. I have to make sure I close it, and even I cannot like trust myself. I really just lock the car. I love the elevators. They really makes your life much easier, especially when you have a huge bags with you. You don't have to just use the stairs, which is more healthy, but anyway, elevator, it is really, really good. Okay, number 2. My IKEA bag. Look how beautiful this looks. I really love this color.